Are your spices losing their color, aroma, and medicinal value during grinding? Today's Tech Tuesday Masterclass reveals how temperature control can save your product quality and your profits. I'm a chief engineer at Milnest Academy, and in the next 5 minutes, you'll learn proven methods to preserve volatile oils while achieving perfect fineness. Here's what happens in traditional grinding. Friction generates heat, and excessive heat damages your product. Volatile oils evaporate, colors fade, and flavors diminish. Heat-sensitive spices like cardamom, cinnamon, and pepper. Temperature control becomes critical for maintaining quality. First solution starts with design. An energy-efficient hammer mill incorporates key features. The optimized hammer configuration uses strategic spacing to reduce friction. An enhanced airflow system maintains constant circulation to keep the machine cool. Variable speed control allows RPM adjustment based on material sensitivity. These design elements work together to minimize heat generation during grinding. Now, let's talk about the operations. Even the best machine for heat-sensitive spices needs proper handling. Feed rate control. Avoid overfeeding, which increases friction. Pre-cooling. Chill your raw material before grinding when possible. Intermittent grinding. For ultra-sensitive materials, consider pulse grinding. Screen selection. Choose appropriate screen size to reduce residence time. Watch how controlled feeding maintains optimal temperature. For ultimate temperature control, cryogenic grinding offers advanced solution. Here's how it works. Liquid nitrogen is injected directly into the grinding chamber, instantly absorbing heat and maintaining low temperatures throughout the process. This ensures maximum volatile oil retention. Liquid nitrogen is injected directly into the grinding chamber, instantly absorbing heat and maintaining low temperatures throughout the process. This ensures maximum volatile oil retention. Ideal applications for cryogenic grinding are as follows. Black pepper preserves natural piperine. Cardamom retaining volatile oils. Cinnamon maintaining essential compounds. And other temperature-sensitive materials. Let's see practical applications. Improved color retention in turmeric. Better aroma preservation in spices. Enhanced oil content in final product. Reduced customer complaints. Premium market access due to quality. The investment in temperature control consistently shows positive returns through quality improvements and market advantages. Let's recap today's masterclass. Design matters. Choose energy-efficient hammer mills with cooling features. Operation is critical. Control feed rate. Pre-cool when possible. Select right screens. Advanced options. Consider cryogenic for premium applications. Monitor continuously. Track temperature throughout the process. Quality pays. Better temperature control means better product value. This is just the beginning. At Milnest Academy, we share such insights every Tech Tuesday. Follow us to master more processing techniques. Have questions about temperature control for your specific spices? Comment below and our engineers will respond. Next week, Particle Size Optimization Masterclass. Until then, keep grinding, but keep it cool. Stay tuned.